Hello folks, on this project we're going to start with a 2014 Fleetwood Discovery that this customer's owned since new, but now, you know, the way that everything's configured on the inside is just not really what he wants anymore, and he can't really go out and find what he wants in something new. So guess what? He came to us here at Leisure Coachworks so that way we can do the transformation and make it everything he wants with what he already has. Now let's go take a look. So, like I was saying, he doesn't like the configuration, and it's not as simple as just rotating your furniture around in an RV. So what he wants us to do is he wants us to take this fridge out, he wants us to deconstruct everything gently, except for this refrigerator, so that way we could try to pull everything apart and reconfigure it to where the fridge is going to be over there. Then we're going to have the sink, then we're going to have the stove. Somewhere over here we're going to have some kind of a pull-out island. He wants to reconfigure this booth so it's not so big. Oh yeah, and while we're at it, he wants us to try to overlay all of these walls to give him more insulation, because where he goes, he just can't seem to be warm. So we're going to insulate the walls. He's talking about trying to do some type of a hydronic heating system throughout the vehicle to keep it warm. We're going to redo all of his flaking material on what we do keep, like the sofa and the front two captain's chairs. We're going to redo this bunk area so that way they can go up when he's not using them, and then turning it into a desk area when he needs it. And then in the bedroom, I think one of the cool things that we're going to do over here in the back of the bedroom, what this customer wants to do is ditch the window. We're going to cut it out and we're going to put in a door with some stairs. So this is where we're starting. Stay tuned to see how all this stuff comes out, how we relocate all of these appliances to give him what he wants, how we update all of these furniture so they're not flaking and they're all fresh, and it's everything he wants it to be without starting over. So don't forget to click on that bell and get notified of future projects, or if you're in Fontana, California, stop on by. So they're not flaking like your cornflakes in the morning?